excited about it. I do watch a couple of YouTubers and I love finding dupes. And if I can't find dupes, there's usually people out there that will find the dupes. So this way we don't have to spend all that money on the high-end product. And that's what I did. I recently watched one of Risa Does Makeup's videos to where her and Jen Phelps had found duplicate drugstore items for high-end products. So I thought, oh my gosh, I am going to buy all the dupes, figure out how much money I saved, and try them on for you guys so you guys can see at home. The work was already done for us. I just want to try all of the dupes and give you my opinion. So let's get into it. So the Thank Me Later Face Primer. It says it's mattifying and pore minimizing. And this is by Elizabeth Mott. I've been using the Lancome LA Base Pro and the Benefit, but I'm always on the hunt for a good primer. So we are going to try this out. Okay, that is what it looks like. It's got a slight pink color to it. And basically what I'm gonna do is massage it into my pores. Our pores are just not those perfect little round circles. They're like everywhere. So you gotta, you know, make sure you rub it in. I can already see a difference. Primer usually does make a difference. So I'm gonna finish putting this everywhere. The Lucarin Beauty Liquid Blush. Yeah, it's liquid blush. This is supposed to be the dupe for the Rare Beauty. I mean, the packaging is super cute. It's kind of like the Rare Beauty. Oh, wow. Okay, so that's what the tip looks like. Oh boy, I'm scared. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand because that's like, woo! Okay. Wow, that is a pretty pink. It's like a nice baby pink. Okay, so I'm not gonna do the exact look that Risa did. I'm just gonna go in with this very first shade, which is the lightest matte in the palette, and I'm gonna begin to put that in my crease, right below my brow bone, pretty much all over the eye. This palette was $18. They are blending super well. Well, so far. So far we're blending good. Okay, ooh, I really like that shimmer. I don't know, but I love me a dark eye too. So let's go ahead and go in with Feel Free. We're gonna do Feel Free, which is the darkest matte in the palette. We're gonna put that here. So which one should we go over? I think we might want to stay in the pink family, but then again, I don't know. Because, all right, let's swatch. Let's see. They're just so pretty. Ooh, she feels nice. Ooh, that is super pretty. It almost reminds me of the Tarte, one of the Tarte blushes too. Okay, so there she is there. And let's do the Revlon. Oh, wow. Okay, side by side. There they are. They are way different. But I kind of want to try the Flower Beauty. And I don't know if it's going to go. I might end up looking like a huge mess. But we're going to try it anyway because I don't know. I just want to. This is going to be my first product from Flower Beauty that I'm trying. Oh, yeah. That's beautiful. Wow, that's pigmented. Okay. For the lip liners, we have the Revlon Color Stay Long Wear Lip Liner. And then we have the LA Girl in Maple Glaze. And this one was Nude 630, I think. I'm going to use them both. I'm going to use this one to line. Ooh, pretty, pretty. And with the other. They are two different shades, mind you. Glossopia Ultimate Lip Shine with Hyaluronic Acid. Let's see if I can get away without wearing lipstick and just using these two. That smells really good. So, what did you think? I just bought all of the dupes. The work was already done for me. Risa and Jen did the work for us. They had the high-end products. They had the duplicates. They put together. All I had to do was save money and buy the duplicates, and now I have them. So just my final thoughts. This here is a primer that is very decent, but because I have such large pores and fine lines, a girl definitely needs some Botox. I'm be working on that. I'll take you guys with me. But yeah, this here was not bad. It was pretty decent. I do like something that fills in the pores a little bit more, like the Benefit, and I've been loving the Lancome LA Base Pro. Okay, moving on to Flower Beauty. This is a gorgeous color, and the Revlon, beautiful colors, very pigmented. Definitely will get use out of these. I was blown away by this and how pigmented it was. Oh my goodness, but enjoyed it. Really did like it. The Sweet Talk palette, you cannot go wrong. Definitely love me some Color Pop, and the price, as I'm dropping everything here. Moving on to the highlighter. This is something that I will definitely use, and probably for the inner corner and the brow bone. I like to have something a little more golden for my cheek. And then we've got these two lip liners that go with any look. You could totally just fill in your lips with the lip liner itself, put on some gloss and go, or you could pair it with your favorite lipstick. This here smells good, and the price was right, of course. Oh, it smells like cake. But yeah, I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me what you guys think. Like I said, all the credit goes to Jen and to Risa. They're the ones that found this stuff, and I saved some money because they did. So thank you so much. I look forward to reading your comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed, take a chance on this channel. Hit that subscribe button. I'd love to get to know you and say hello to me down in the comments if this is your first time here. I'll see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.